Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you guys how to fix the rear view mirror that is kind of loose and wobbling. This one, it's very easy to fix. Just for the sake of demonstration, I'm gonna remove my rear view mirror and I'm gonna show you guys how to fix it. Mine is fixed, but let me show you guys how it's done. Let me take out all these wires first. Okay, we can deal with the wires later. Okay, so there is you guys can see there's this screw right over here. This one, we are gonna open this, and this is the Phillips head screwdriver that came with the car. You guys can use any Phillips head screwdriver as long as it fits in this screw. What you guys can do is to open this. Sorry, I'm a bit blind because I can't see. Okay. I got it so tight, it's taking me a while to open this. Okay. Okay, putting this back together is a bit tricky. It really kicked my butt when I was putting it back together, but let's give it a try. Okay. Okay, so the screw is not gonna come out of this assembly, it's gonna stay in there. The way it's designed is so the screw is not gonna fall out. So you guys can see the screw is already inside there, right there. Okay, so now this thing fell down. This thing, what causes this thing, this rear view mirror to get loose is actually this mount right over here. Let me get a flashlight so you guys can see. If I can find a damn flashlight. Yeah, it's right here. Okay. So this mount has two screws. Sorry, I have no other person to hold this. These two screws, they get loose. It's one right here. You guys may one right here and the other one right there. So you guys need to get those two screws tight. It will fix your problem. If those are already tight and your rear view mirror is still wobbling, then your problem is this this metal blade. So what you guys can do, like, you know, use a needle nose plier to tweak this metal blade, yeah, a little bit, make it, give it like maybe 1 degree bent or 2 degrees bent, like bent it down like this, either on one side or this side, and then put it back together. So this is how it goes into the bracket. This is how it goes inside the bracket. So if you guys once you guys bend this, put it back together, and your wobbly rear view mirror is gonna be fixed. You guys can also do is to put a little bit bent on this teeth right here, this one, and on this one, but be very gentle. Okay, so be very gentle because you guys can really break these two teeth that are sticking out. How I know? Let me show you guys. So this is actually a new blade that I ordered from Toyota. I will show the part number for this. You guys can get this ordered from any Toyota. So this is the other one that broke. So if you guys can see, this teeth over here it's already broken. It has only one teeth on the one side, but it was still working. I mean, I installed it, it was working. and it was working for 2 years until I decided to replace it anyway. So even if you guys break this teeth by accident, it's still gonna work, but I would try to be very gentle with this. So what I did, I put a little bit bend on this blade, and then I put it back in the bracket up there, and then screwed everything back together. So once you guys put this back up there, then it's a little bit tricky to install this. Okay, so what you guys gonna do is you guys have to have somebody that can have that has a light, because over here the weather is a bit bad and I don't have enough light. Let me do this. Okay. So you guys can see this right here, and this is how it's gonna go. Okay, this is you guys see this U shape. It's gonna go on this, it's gonna catch into this this thing right here, and then you guys have to push it up and it will hold itself. If it's not gonna hold, if it doesn't hold itself, it means it's not installed properly. So there's a kind of a cross beam. You guys have to hook this into that cross beam right over here. I have only one hand right now, so that's the reason I cannot really tell what I'm doing. So let me install this using 2 hands, and then I will show you guys how it looks. Okay guys, so you guys can see this is how this blade gonna look like. I'm gonna bring the camera closer so you guys can see. And so once you guys put this blade up there, then screwing this rear view mirror back into this hole right there, it's gonna be a bit tricky, because you have to put, let me show you guys, let me put this damn thing. Okay, you guys have to like keep this thing flushed right over there, completely flushed, and then screw it with the other hand. Otherwise, if you if you guys are not lined up, this blade is gonna fall down again. So just give it a few try and you guys may luck out, probably will luck out, but it's it really kicked my butt the last time. So that's the reason. It may it may be easy, it might work on first try, it might not work on the first try. So that's how you guys would be able to get rid of this wobbly mirror. So let me put this thing back together, and then I will show you guys if there is any wobble in the mirror. So the mirror is installed again. I actually was successful on the second try. The first try, what I did on the second try, what I did, I put the mirror like up like this, so I can line up this base with that plate, and then I tighten up this screw right over here. So that might be one of the trick to tighten up and or I mean line up the bolt the screw with the hole right there. So, and let's see if there is any wobble. See, it has, wait a second, it has a bit wobble, but I believe it's from here. Okay, yeah, so yeah, it's good now. It's not wobbling at all. So that's the trick to get this mirror fixed and get rid of that wobble. Most of the time it's from those two tiny screws, but if those screws are not loose and those are already tight, then try to tweak that blade with a help of a needle nose plier. Be very gentle with it, and then try it again, and hopefully it will fix your problem. Thank you guys for watching this, and you have a nice day. Bye.